Still on the elections, Vice Ganda is not impressed with the track record of senatorial candidate Nancy Binay. During a press conference held Monday for his upcoming solo concert, the It's Showtime host mentioned the name of Vice President Jejomar Binay's daughter when asked if he has any plans to pursue a career in public service. Vice Ganda took a swipe at Binay for what he thinks are less than stellar accomplishments for someone running for the Senate. The comedian also said that he will never campaign for someone that he does not intend to vote for.
Ayoko po ng vice mayor eh.
Anong gusto mo?
President ako agad yan. Yung gusto ko president agad, yung wala kang background pero mataas agad. Oo. Parang yung mga politiko lang ngayon, walang background pero senador agad.
Sino-sino yan?
Sino Nancy Binay? Sino po? Wala ko sinabing masama, sinabi ko lang siya as an example. Kasi totoo naman, di ba? Wala siyang political background, pero senador agad. Malay mo, pwede din naman akong ganon.
So hindi naman
Pero nag-SK pala ako, so meron akong political background.
Wala rin nag-attempt na kunin kang endorsement?
Meron po, madami, pero hindi po ako pumayag.
Bakit?
Hindi ko naman kasi sila iboboto eh.